And what's cracking, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha, and this is today's video on Kaspa. Kaspa, the friendly ghost. But now, question is it friendly or is it a ghost? Should we be buying here or should we be waiting on a better bid? Because this has been the talk of the town, this altcoin Kaspa, and rightfully so. I mean, just look at how beautiful this chart really is, right? I believe ever since June of this year, Kaspa has done a good 200 and around 250% to the upside. And guys, this is still a very, very clear uptrend on this chart. But now question is, can we actually wait on a better bid, or is price just gonna, rip up from here, not giving anyone a chance to actually get in? So now I usually follow a drill when I'm dissecting my my altcoins. So I get on over to the Mango dashboard. You can find this on app.mangoresearch.co. Go ahead and filter out the coin that you're looking for. We are looking for Kaspa. The ticker symbol is KAS, and you'll see right here, okay, on the Mango dashboard. Get into the drop-down menu. We have trends for the 4-hour, 12-hour, daily, and 2-day. Now, the 12-hour time frame all the way down to the 2-day time frame is signaling bullish, okay? That is a bullish long signal. Now, the daily trend went off 13 days ago, and if you had a notification on that, you're already up a good 25% on that trade. But I want you guys to look at the holistic picture, and that's why we have this drop-down. That way you actually have a holistic picture on all time frames for Kaspa. 4-hour flipped bearish 5 hours ago, telling us that, okay, you know what, this uptrend is now sort of cooling off. Perhaps we can actually look for a better bid. But another thing that might be alluding to us being able to get a better bid on Kaspa is if you look at the 12-hour time frame and the daily time frame, and you look at the flags that have gone off, we have potential bearish divergence on the 12-hour as well as the daily time frame. So what we could see here, okay, really unfold on Kaspa's chart, we could see the lower time frames like the 4-hour time frame and the 12-hour time frame actually dump to the downside, but only to then get picked up on the higher time frames. Okay, now just to drive this in, let's get into the charts, okay, because here's what I'm seeing. If I take you guys on over to Kaspa USDT, I'm currently on the 2-day time frame. Now I have gone ahead and dissected this chart. I've done some preliminary analysis, and I think that the 2-day time frame is the best time frame to actually look at the macro picture for Kaspa, considering that it's super new, okay? But now, if I have to just go ahead and draw out regions of support and resistance, we know that we had a region of support right here. This came in at around 5 cents, okay? I'm just gonna round up to 5 cents. So that was our immediate region of support, which, by the way, we're currently living under right now. Now, please note that this candle has not closed just yet. Okay, we close this candle tomorrow. But if we close this candle underneath that 5-cent region, I'm saying Kaspa is likely coming down, okay? Likely going to give us a better bid opportunity on this. But now, where is the bid opportunity really going to come in at? Now, I have found a high confluence zone for you guys, okay? For anyone interested in this chart, I think it's a fantastic chart, but check this out. I believe that the next buy opportunity, the best buy opportunity, is going to come in at around that 4-cent region. You'll find that on the 2-day time frame, it's not only the next most critical region of support, but along with that, if I go ahead and take you guys on over to the Mango dynamic indicator, let's go ahead and switch that on. Where does the dynamic support really come in at? Dynamic support, guys, also comes in at around 4 cents. Now, historically, I want you guys to just look at how well Kaspa has reacted off of that 4-cent region, right? This was back in, July of this year. We rallied all the way up to 4 cents, got rejected, okay? Saw a bit of a drawdown right there, but only when we did take out 4 cents once again did we make our way all the way up to 5 cents. Okay, got rejected at 5, came back down to 4, found support on 4, but it's only when we broke 4 cents did we actually see that meltdown all the way down to 3 cents. Okay, and that's why I believe that that 4-cent region is going to be the best buy opportunity because of how easy it's going to be for you guys to manage that trade. If the bulls actually fall through and lose 4 cents, you know that you are wrong on that trade so fast. Like, you get to take a minimal loss on that trade. You're like, okay, this is clear as day, okay? It's broken 4 cents, price is likely coming down, easy to manage. Alrighty, but that is going to be the next potential bid opportunity. From where price is at right now, all the way down to 4 cents, that's going to be a good 13% to the downside. Now, that being said, when can we actually expect the dump? When does it really become a plausible play? Well, we're currently on the 2-day time frame, right? if this candle, if this current 2-day candle closes underneath 5 cents, now this candle closes, well, tomorrow, right? We have a new 2-day candle tomorrow. If we actually close underneath 5 cents, I'm saying KASPA is likely going to come down. Now, for those of you who do not have access to the Mango dynamic indicator, but you want the levels, it's like a bit of a zone, right? We have the dynamic cloud that helps us stay on the right side of any asset that you're looking at. Dynamic cloud, guys, that zone comes in at around 0.0433, okay, going all the way down to 0.0428. Alrighty, I'll be mentioning it on my chart, so if you guys want to note it down, by all means, go ahead and note it down. Also, the dynamic indicator is currently on sale. It is Sean's birthday month, so I believe the coupon code will be active until the end of the month. You'll find the coupon code on my screen as well as in the description below. But now let's go back to, well, the entire aspect of confluence, right? So I'm seeing, all right, we have support, critical support coming in at 4 cents. We also have the dynamic swinging in at around 4 cents. But in addition to this, we have one more confluencing factor here at 4 cents. And that's this. If I take you guys on over to the 1 hour time frame, okay, I am seeing a bearish pattern on the 1 hour time frame. I'm going to switch everything else off. Okay, the bearish pattern is a head and shoulders pattern, okay? It is a bearish head and shoulders pattern with a drooping neckline. Now, for those of you who like playing patterns, specifically the head and shoulders pattern, here's a tip. Every time you find a drooping neckline, just be very, very cautious, okay? And why do I say that? Because drooping necklines often is a, well, a testament to growing technical weakness on the chart. What price really did here, right, is that it swept that previous local low that was holding the trend. All right, so that is usually a sign of growing technical weakness on the chart. So when that move to the downside does come, it's usually an impulsive move to the downside. All right, so just to keep you guys prepared every time you do see a drooping neckline. But here's a note about this pattern, is that it has not triggered just yet. For those of you who do not see the potential head and shoulders pattern, here it is. Here is the left-hand side shoulder, head, and what we're doing right now is putting in the right-hand side shoulder. Okay, I won't be surprised if KASPA actually gets all the way back up to 5 cents. And then depending, if we get rejected at 5 cents and we start coming down here, that's when I believe we're going to be putting in, fleshing out that right-hand side shoulder. But now here's the confluencing factor. If I go ahead and take the measured move of this potential head and shoulders pattern, okay, and plot it on the break, where will this take KASPA down to? And what do you know, guys? That 4 cent region that we marked out, this would take KASPA back down to 4 cents. So we have critical support down there. We have the 2-day dynamic swinging in right there, as well as the measured move of this head and shoulders pattern. All right, but now main question is, when does this entire play get negated? When does it get thrown out the window? Because ultimately, guys, trading too is a game of probabilities. And here's the criteria for the invalidation. All right, this move to the downside gets invalidated once I start seeing strength along 5 cents. Okay, so I want to see candle closes over 5 cents, okay, and particularly on the 2-day time frame. All right, 2-day, as I had mentioned, I have identified it as one of the most important time frames to play KASPA on, right? If I start seeing this 2-day candle close over 5 cents tomorrow, I'm like, okay, you know what? The bulls still have control. If the next 2-day also closes over 5 cents, I'm saying that KASPA is catching a bid at 5 cents, at which point we will be re-evaluating this picture. So if you want to keep up with the next analysis, make sure you hit the sub and the bell icon. For now, here's what I have for you on KASPA. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.